This is Maple Ridge, your market update. If you live here, this matters. We're moving into a spring market, and here's where prices are at. So detached homes are around 1.2 million. Townhomes about 732,000. Condos just over 513,000. Now, what's sold in March? 52 detached homes, 34 townhomes, and 27 condos. Kind of with fewer sellers, it's keeping the inventory steady, and sales are still below average. So prices aren't moving much. So what does that mean is a more balanced market? Buyers don't need to rush, and sellers need to price right. So if you want the full March stats package, send me March in my DMs. Yeah, let's talk soon.